Hi, everyone. I'm Congresswoman Lauren Underwood, and I represent the 14th Congressional District of Illinois. I'm joined by my colleagues from the Illinois delegation, Congressman Sean Casten from the Illinois 6th, and Congressman Bill Foster from the Illinois 11th. And we are here today to talk about the Child Tax Credit, an important provision of the American Rescue Plan, and what you'll need to do to start receiving payments. The American Rescue Plan is already delivering shots in arms, money in pockets, children in schools, and people in jobs all across the country. But the coronavirus pandemic has put a significant strain on Illinois parents, children, and child care providers. Advanced monthly payments of the Child Tax Credit will help set America's children up for success and put more money in the pockets of parents to pay for childcare, food, health care, and more. Now, I'd like to hand it over to my colleague, Congressman Sean Casten, to share a little bit more about the impact of the Child Tax Credit.
Thank you, Congresswoman Underwood. This pandemic has forced millions of parents to choose between taking care of their children or paying their bills. And with women's labor market participation currently where it was in 1989, the Child Tax Credit will help ensure that we don't lose 30 years of progress. The Child Tax Credit will benefit over 2.5 million Illinois children. And in addition to providing much needed relief to working Illinois families, this will lift 153,000 Illinois children out of poverty. Now, here's how it's going to work. The IRS will begin sending out advance monthly payments as soon as July. From July through December of 2021, qualifying families can get up to $300 a month per child for children ages 0 to 5. And up to $250 a month per child for children ages 6 to 17. Families will get the remaining expanded child tax credit when they file their 2021 tax return. But this is really key. With the tax deadline less than a week away, the best way to ensure eligible families receive accurate payments as soon as possible is to file your 2020 tax return ahead of the May 17th deadline. Now, even if you lost your job during the pandemic or if you don't normally file taxes, please be sure to file this year because the IRS needs information from your tax return in order to calculate and then issue your advance monthly payments. Families can also file a tax return for free online through the IRS Free File program. And in addition to Free File, the IRS's Volunteer Income Tax Assistance, or VITA, offers free, reliable, and trusted assistance for preparing tax returns for people who make $57,000 a year or less, for people with disabilities, and for taxpayers with limited English language abilities. Folks can get help on their taxes right here in Illinois 6th District at VITA's College of DuPage location. I'd now like to hand it over to Congressman Foster to talk about who qualifies for the tax credit and for how much.
We all know that every family looks different, so children are eligible if they are your children or adopted children, or stepchildren, half-siblings, foster children, grandchildren, nieces or nephews, or certain other relatives. To be eligible, children must have a Social Security number, live with you for at least half of the year, be under age 18 as of December 31st, 2021, and be claimed on your tax return. Families will qualify for a full credit if their income is below $75,000 for single filers, $112,000 for people filing as head of household, or $150,000 for people who are married and filing jointly. And again, the best way to ensure eligible families receive accurate payments as soon as possible is to file a 2020 tax return ahead of the May 17th deadline. Congresswoman Underwood, Congressman Casten, and I are incredibly excited for the expanded child tax credit and what it will mean for families and children in our districts and across Illinois. Contact any of our offices if you need help finding free assistance to apply for this program. We're all proud to have voted for the American Rescue Plan and will continue to fight for legislation that will bring relief and economic growth to families in our districts and to our state. Thank you all.